Millions of retirees are losing money every single month, and most of them have no idea it's happening. These aren't big, obvious mistakes. They're small, quiet habits that feel completely harmless at first. But over time, they drain thousands of dollars from your retirement savings. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the most costly mistakes retirees are making right now, and more importantly, exactly what you can do to protect yourself before it's too late. If you're living on Social Security, a pension, retirement savings, or even part-time income, pay close attention. Because inflation, rising healthcare costs, and new financial pressures are quietly changing the way retirement works. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Underestimating how much retirement really costs. Here's the mistake nobody warns you about enough. Most people enter retirement thinking their savings will be enough. On paper, everything looks fine. The mortgage might be paid off, monthly expenses seem manageable, and Social Security provides a sense of stability. But then, real life starts happening. Groceries cost more than expected. Utility bills rise. Insurance premiums increase. Prescription costs slowly creep higher every year. Suddenly, what looked comfortable starts feeling tight. And here's where it gets dangerous. Instead of adjusting early, many retirees keep spending the same way they did before inflation surged. They dip into savings a little more each month, assuming things will eventually stabilize. But small withdrawals add up fast. A few $100s here, a few extra expenses there, and retirement accounts start shrinking much faster than expected. The retirees who do best are not necessarily the wealthiest. They're the ones who stay aware of their finances and adjust early before problems grow. Mistake number 2. Assuming Medicare covers everything. Now let's talk about what is quietly becoming one of the largest monthly expenses in retirement: healthcare. And the shocking part is how unpredictable those costs can be. A prescription changes. A specialist is needed. An unexpected hospital visit happens. And suddenly, retirement budgets are under serious pressure. Many retirees assume Medicare will cover everything. Unfortunately, that's simply not the case. Deductibles, supplemental insurance, dental care, vision expenses, and prescription costs can still create major financial strain. One of the smartest things you can do right now is review your healthcare coverage every single year, instead of assuming last year's plan is still your best option. Even small adjustments can make a meaningful difference over time. Mistake number 3. Supporting family beyond what you can afford. This next mistake is more common than most people want to admit. Helping family financially beyond what you can realistically afford. Parents help adult children with rent. Grandparents assist with bills. Some retirees dip into savings to solve temporary family emergencies. And of course, wanting to help family is natural. But what begins as occasional help can quietly become a long-term pattern. One retiree recently discovered she had withdrawn tens of thousands of dollars in small amounts over several years. Each withdrawal seemed minor at the time. But together, they created a gap that was nearly impossible to recover from. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Protecting your own retirement security is not selfish. It's necessary. If you're finding this helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button. Every week, I cover retirement income tips, Social Security updates, and financial strategies designed specifically for retirees. Now back to the mistakes. Mistake number 4. Trusting scammers, targeting retirees. Scams targeting seniors have exploded in recent years, and scammers are becoming more sophisticated every day. Some pretend to be from Medicare. Others claim to represent Social Security. Some create fake emergencies involving family members. And many retirees lose thousands of dollars because the scam simply sounded believable in the moment. Here's the most important thing to remember. Government agencies almost never contact people demanding immediate payments, gift cards, wire transfers, or urgent personal information over the phone. If something feels rushed, threatening, or emotionally manipulative, it's almost always a warning sign. In retirement, protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Mistake number 5, delaying repairs and keeping too much cash idle. The final 2 mistakes are connected by one dangerous habit: avoiding action. First, delaying important home repairs. Postponing maintenance may feel responsible in the short term, but small issues become expensive disasters. A minor roof leak turns into water damage. An aging heating system fails in winter. An old pipe creates an emergency repair bill. Small problems delayed almost always cost more to fix later. Second, and this one surprises many people, keeping too much cash sitting in low-interest savings accounts. Emotionally, it feels safe, but inflation slowly reduces what that money can actually buy. Over time, even responsible savers fall behind because their money isn't keeping pace with the cost of living. Reviewing your strategy with a trusted financial professional doesn't mean taking big risks. It means staying ahead of the curve. Here's the truth about retirement mistakes. They almost never happen overnight. Most financial problems begin with small decisions, repeated consistently over time. But the good news is this: small corrections today can still create major improvements later. Reducing unnecessary expenses, reviewing your insurance plans, tracking your monthly spending honestly, protecting your savings from scams. All of these small actions matter more than most people realize. Because retirement isn't just about money. It's about stability, peace of mind, and the ability to enjoy the life you worked so hard to build. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more retirement updates, Social Security news, Medicare information, and financial tips every week. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.